Good evening, you're watching News Mongolia on MNB World. I'm your host, Anur Matar. And for our top stories, 1,643 more confirmed cases and 10 additional deaths reported. Mufali made available seeds and seedlings to market gardeners at 80% discount. Local businesses donate medical equipment to province hospitals. And for other news, stay tuned. The Ministry of Health reported that 1,643 new COVID-19 cases were confirmed nationwide in the past 24 hours and 10 more people have died.
As of today, 1,643 new cases were confirmed among over 9,000 people who took COVID-19 tests nationwide. 2,572 patients have recovered in the past 24 hours. Unfortunately, 10 people died due to COVID-19 complications. 5 out of the new cases are imported. 915 were confirmed in Ulaanbaatar and 723 were confirmed in the provinces. Over 14,000 patients are being treated at hospitals, 2,554 out of whom are children and 733 are pregnant women. Also, about 25,000 are being treated at home. Yesterday, over 18,935 people received COVID-19 vaccines nationwide. Over 2 million people have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and 1.74 million have received the second dose of a vaccine. Health officials warn the public to stay alert and follow strict social distancing, as not only the hospitals are filled to capacity, but also the health sector is facing a workforce shortage to fight against COVID-19.
The Ministry of Food, Agriculture and Light Industry launched a program to support household market gardening. Through the program, seeds and seedlings and vegetables common in the market were made available to gardeners at an 80% discount.
1 ton of onion seeds costs around 8 million Mongolian tugrix. With the 80% discount, gardeners were able to purchase 1 ton of onion seeds for 1.6 million Mongolian tugrix.
We are promoting the development of household gardening so that households can grow vegetables for household consumption. This year, the ministry provided seedlings and seeds of vegetables that are not commonly cultivated in Mongolia and that are mostly imported, such as hybrid cabbage, greenhouse vegetables, and some varieties of onion and garlic.
This year, May and June saw high precipitation, creating favorable conditions for cultivating vegetables. However, the average temperature was slightly lower than previous years, so cultivating started a bit later. Industry experts say that the cultivation period is 90% complete around the country.
The cultivation of cucumbers, melon, watermelon, tomatoes, and cabbage was a bit late by around 10 days. However, if July and August are warm and favorable, we expect good harvests.
In order to provide consumers with fresh vegetables all year round, market gardeners need to have bioclimatic cellars. As there is not enough space to store harvested crops, market gardeners have to sell all their crops at low prices in September and October, and in the wintertime, consumers mostly consume expensive imported vegetables and fruits.
With a soft loan from the government of Poland, a project to build a cellar project capable of storing 8,500 tons of vegetables is being implemented. This project will increase the locally produced vegetables available to the market.
Currently, there are 40,000 people engaged in agriculture and market gardening in Mongolia.
The number of COVID-19 cases in Mongolia has been steadily increasing. Local businesses are initiating campaigns to help support medical staff in their fight against the pandemic.
Teso Corporation, a local producer of dairy products and ice cream, donated 19 ambulances and 1 billion Mongolian tugrix in medical equipment, including medical ventilators, to 19 slums in Ovs province.
I hope many patients will be able to receive medical treatment without delay and that doctors will be able to provide necessary medical help to their patients.
Until now, small hospitals in Ovs province Soms had only 1 ambulance, making it difficult to reach patients in remote areas. Ovs province has recorded around 1,000 cases of COVID-19.
Now let's take a look at the currency exchange rates provided by Mongol Bank. Now let's take a look at the weather forecast of world's major cities. Well, that's all for today, and thank you for staying with us. We will see you tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.